Okay, it's recording.
Alright, so something went wrong in my engine. I need you guys to help me figure it out. It's shaking way too much, and I'm about to show you, just in case it doesn't come off on the video very well. And it's making a weird popping noise when the engine's winding down after I rev it. I'll try to capture that too. But anyway. Is this fucker still recording? It better be. Alright. See, the whole car is kind of wobbling right now. Does not feel right. You can see the whole engine's moving way too much. Let me know if anything sounds weird to you. The motor mount, how much it's moving now. Let me try to hear the popping noise again. Still recording? Okay, so if you know what causes that kind of noise, please let me know. I'm pretty sure one of the cylinders isn't firing, and that's the excess gas getting burnt off. But what the fuck do I know? Anyway, help me out if you can.